Today we'll do a new experiment, that is on DOL starter, study of direct online starter connection and running a 3-phase induction motor and measurement of the starting current. First of all, we will see the circuit diagram and we'll do the connection. And these are the supply line L1, L2 and L3. From the supply line L3, first the connection will given to the overload release contact coil, and from that overload release contact coil the connection is given to the stop button. This is our stop button. The stop button is normally closed switch. Then from the second end of the stop button the connection is again given to our start button, that is given to one end of the start button. This is our start button. This is normally open switch, and from the second end of the start button the connection is given to our NBC coil. This is the NBC coil, and from the second end of the NBC coil the connection is given to the another phase, that is I have given to L2. When we press the start button, this switch will be closed, so that the circuit will be closed. Like when supply is given, supply current will flow through this path and it will energize the NBC coil. When the NBC coil will be energized, this is the main contact, and the main contact will be attracted towards the NBC coil, so that this contact will be, these three contact will be closed, and the supply current can directly flow through this main contact to our motor. But as we all know that this is the start button. The start button is normally open switch, but when we release that start button, when the start button is open, see how it is open, but in this time the supply is disconnected, but now there is another contact here, another contact is there, that is called the auxiliary contact. The auxiliary contact is connected in parallel with the start switch, that is one end is connected to the one end of the start button, and the another end is connected to the another end of the start button. When NBC coil is energized, at that time this auxiliary contact will be closed, so that when we release this start button, the circuit will be closed by this NBC coil, and current will pass on this path, and current will pass on this path to, it will return back to supply. Now when there is a overload current, this is the overload coil, and or it is known as the thermal coil. These three coil will be energized, so that this will push the plunger back, so that this contact will be open. See, this contact will be open, and this plunger is along at this point, so that the circuit will be again disconnected and the supply will be cut off. This is the overload relay coil or overload release contact. It will say that overload relay or overload release contact, and give protection for the overload to this motor. But when the supply is cut off, this NBC coil will be de-energized, so that when the NBC coil is de-energized, then the main contact again go back to its original position, and it is disconnected. Then again there is a cut off of the supply. But at the normal running condition, this contact NBC coil is energized and this main contact is closed. When the main contact is closed, the current is flowing through the line to the main contact, again to the main contact, and it is flowing to the overload release coil or thermal release coil, and it is directly flowing to our induction motor, and it gives protection against overload current and also no load case. And now we will see the actual circuit. Connection diagram of your 3-phase dual starter connection with 3-phase induction motor, and here this is the supply. First your supply is given to the this is the 3-phase R, Y and B. The R phase is first given to the one end of the ammeter. This is our ammeter, and as we all know that the ammeter is connected in series with the supply. From the other the ammeter is internally in series connection. The other end of the ammeter, the R phase is connected to the, this is our DOL starter. This is the starting point of the dual starter. The R phase is connected to this one contactor. Again, from the supply, the Y phase is connected to our voltmeter, one point of the voltmeter, and the B phase is connected to the another point of the voltmeter. As we all know that the voltmeter is connected in parallel to the supply. Again, from the two end of the voltmeter, there is two wire. These two wire. See these two wire clearly. These two wire is connected to the 2 points of your DOL starter. When the connection is given to this point of the DOL starter, this is our start point and this is the stop point. And from one phase, one wire, this all I have said the power connection. Now I will say the control connection. This is from the supply, one wire here. This is this black wire. From the supply, it is given to the NBC. From another phase of this supply, this wire is given to your stop button, and from the stop button, another point, the wire one is connection is given to the start button, and the start button the connection is now given to the auxiliary point, and the auxiliary point and your no load no volt coil both are now here internally connected. Now this is the 3 outcoming wires R, Y and B, and 3 outcoming wires are given to the load. This is our load. Can you see here? This is our load, and the load which is now the load is our induction motor. This is a 3-phase induction motor. The maximum load which can be connected to a 3-phase induction motor, that is 5 HP. Now we will start the machine. See, now this is a 3-phase, so the voltage is 400 volt, and there actually the load is not connected yet. Now we have not started our motor, so the current here is 0. Now we will start the motor here. See, our motor is running. Can you switch off the see, when we start the motor, now we already know that at the time of starting the current is very, the motor draws a heavy amount of current. So see, the pointer is moving. See how the pointer is moving, and the current suddenly high, and after that the current comes to its minimum position, and this is our induction motor is running. This is all about the working or of DOL starter. Hope you will all enjoy this.